Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sriram Iyer. I'm an analyst at the Commodity and Currency Research Desk at Reliance Securities. This week, we're going to talk about briefly on gold and crude and briefly update you on the outlook for the coming week. So, starting with gold and silver could potentially echo out small gains for the third consecutive week running. The decline in the bond and forex markets enabled gold and silver to move higher this week. Secondly, there has been a surge in global COVID cases, which renewed the safe haven demand for the metals and also pushed higher. Meanwhile, a reiteration of dovish stance by the ECB this week also lifted sentiments. Additionally, now we feel that the US Federal Reserve will continue to remain accommodative when they meet next week, despite recent upbeat jobs and inflation numbers from the US, and market is slowly factoring in that meeting this week. So looking ahead, we expect the prices could consolidate this coming week. We feel that prices are going to monitor the yields and the dollar going forward, but the direction and the price action will ultimately be determined by whether investors will continue to be willing and to chase the market higher, or if they are going to wait for dips to buy or re-entry at lower levels to buy for the short term as well. Gold prices are currently hovering near the 7-week high as traders await a fresh fundamental spark to ignite the precious metal next big move, which could come, as I mentioned earlier, could come in the form of US Federal Reserve meeting next week and possibly a reiteration of dovish stance by the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell. On the charts, LBMA spot gold will need to break 1800 mark and close above this level to push even higher or extend the bull run which has been seen over the last 3 weeks. If not, prices will consolidate between 1760 on the lower side to 1800 on the higher side of things. Domestically, MCX gold prices could likely consolidate between 46,420 and 48,350 levels. Moving to the crude side of things, crude could witness a small correction this week after moving higher last week. This week, the bearish news is outweighing the bullish news. Investors remain concerned about the impact of demand from rising COVID cases in India and Japan. Secondly, oil prices are also weighed down by the talks of nuclear deal by May for Iran that would take US sanctions off the Islamic Republic's crude exports, potentially adding another 2 million barrels per day or more to the market. Additionally, to the mix of bearish news, oil demand is expected to take a hit in the medium term as more countries adopt policies to combat climate change. Biden recently unveiled the goal to cut emissions by 50 to 52% from 2005 levels. Meanwhile, Japan nearly doubled its target for cutting carbon emissions to 46% by 2030. The only positive news for crude oil this week came out of Libya. Libya said its oil output fell to about 1 million barrels per day in the recent days and could drop further due to the budgetary constraints and issues there in the country. Looking ahead, we expect the prices to witness some consolidation in the coming week as well. OPEC and its allies are heading for a largely technical meeting next week where major policy changes are not expected, but the demand scenario could be addressed by the cartel going forward in the next few months. However, overall investors will continue to monitor situation in India and Japan, and they will be worried about the demand due to the current second wave in India and third wave in Japan. So demand concerns will continue to drive prices in the short term. So technically on the charts, for the prices to continue higher, we need to see a break above 65.45. Otherwise, we could see prices move back to 59 or even lower. From here, the support for oil is 59.40 levels, and a break below will definitely take prices towards 55 levels in the short term. On the upside, as I mentioned, 65.45 will remain a key hurdle, and only a break above will push prices higher. On the domestic side of things, MCX crude May contract will need to break above 4800 for the bullish run to continue. If not, prices will consolidate in the next week between 4400 and 4790 levels. So thank you for listening. Have a pleasant day and a week ahead.